Meet the Lava Blaze 2 5G, your gateway to the fast-paced world of 5G connectivity. With its stunning glass black, glass blue, and glass lavender colors, it's a style icon that stands out. The Blaze 2 5G boasts a large, immersive display that brings your content to life. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching videos, or gaming, you'll enjoy a clear and vibrant viewing experience. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Capture stunning photos and high-quality videos with the impressive 50MP AI camera system. The Blaze 2 5G lets you capture those special moments in any lighting condition, day or night. Don't worry about running out of juice in the middle of the day. The Blaze 2 5G is equipped with a massive 5000 mAh battery that keeps you powered up for extended use. Work, play, and connect for longer without scrambling for a charger. Plus, the expandable RAM feature gives you an extra boost for multitasking and running demanding applications. Experience power and speed with the MediaTek processor and up to 6 GB RAM. The Lava Blaze 2 5G is not just a phone, it's your companion for the future, starting at just Rs9,999 won.